Hey guys, what is going on? Today we got a brand new video. So as you guys know, we took the sub and amp and the radio out of the Mazda 3 and we put it in the beater. So we need to kind of continue doing that. So unfortunately, this car is getting a big downgrade. Today what I got to do, what I'm doing today is I'm taking since all the audio equipment is out of this car, the only thing that's left in it are the door speakers. So I got to take the door speakers out and then put them in the beater, and then I'll be without door speakers. So this thing will literally have absolutely no source of sound besides this big boy. But that is what we're going to be doing today. This weekend's been a little rough. Where the past couple weekends, last weekend I didn't have any content, and this weekend I almost didn't have any content until like 30 minutes ago. So all the cars this week are getting love. I do have an update for you guys though with this car on the 28th of September. How did I manage to get September out of that? It's October 28th. It is going back into the wrap place and getting the roof and the side skirts done, and then we will put the side skirts on the car. The wrap will be officially complete, so I'll definitely make a video on that. But without further ado, I'm gonna try and live hack these doors. Once I'm done taking these out, then this car is gonna go back in the corner while I bring in the old turd in here. My plan of attack here is I'm gonna unbolt the two things, obviously that hold the door in, and then I'm gonna try and just pop this off and then just lift it up, unbolt the speakers, unhook them, and then just push the door back in, screw these back in, and voila. I just don't want to take the whole door off. I'm just too lazy. Okay, so the first speaker is out. That took me like maybe 5 minutes at most. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's continue doing this. I seem to have forgotten something after my installation. If I had to tell you guys a trick on how to take your rear doors off, just do it 1,000 times like I do. It's supposed to be a magnetic tip and it's not really doing what it's advertised as. I was told that these are good. The stock speakers are almost better. If you're smart and you can do this faster than me, then you would have put your window all the way down. But I live life on the edge here, and unfortunately, I just don't need to do that. 2 doors done in the time span of like 10 minutes. I'm gonna go bomb through the other ones. Okay, my boys, all the speakers are out of the car, which means we can go ahead and move this back in its corner and bring in the dirty box. Yeah, back to the corner. Back to the corner, man! Look at this thing, man. Look at those headlights, boy. Okay, so we're gonna face some problems here, but that's okay. I'm gonna pound out these doors and figure out how I'm gonna connect my speakers to the wiring cables without any plugs, because I don't have plugs. Let's go. So one life hack I learned is if your cars are fancy enough, then take off the foam that goes around and put it on your new one. That's what I'll be doing with these, because I am missing one speaker without the foam. So this is where I run into a problem, because I don't have 2 different sized connectors. You just don't do that. I'm not gonna lie, this sounds bad, but I'm extremely tempted to solder the wire right to this. Look, I'm not saying I'm proud. I'm saying it, well, it definitely didn't work. Let's retry that.
So guys,
Don't tell them I don't invite you anymore.
a rotary Dorito.
Dorito and the Miata. A buble. So, fun fact, you guys know why I drink this so much? Because I don't like it, and I always tend to drink the things that I don't like first, just so I don't have to deal with
It's
them.
like eating your vegetables before you eat the good part.
Good point.
All these broken clips have been swapped out for good.
One speaker's blown, but that's okay. It's a beater, right? One car gets a downgrade, the other one gets a even bigger downgrade. But
So what's in Shaniqua right now? Absolutely nothing?
she has absolutely no audio equipment until I put. Okay, well now she's not getting anything because this is gonna get replaced at one point in its life.
Can I finger it?
Okay, let's just take this and not continue any further. Speaker done. Back problems.
Let's get a sound test.
Yeah, it's cool. Beater with a heater. Okay guys, that is the video for today. So this is the only speaker that doesn't work. There's only one speaker that doesn't work. We just tuned the sub so I can actually hear it now over this empowering power that these tweeters put out. I guess you could say that's a good install because now it covers that, literally. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, make sure that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Yeah, more cool stuff. This weekend was a bust, but I came through. Anyways guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.